every campaign that we have is going to have an overview, right? You're going to get one campaign every month. Every month, so you're running 12 campaigns a year, right? Each campaign is going to be for a particular position. The reason you get one a month and you have 4 weeks is because if you can't get everybody to one time, you can schedule them for the next week. Because if you've called 24 candidates in 1 week, you may not be able to get all of them in here that same week. So if you're booking for a Monday and the individual, the candidate cannot make it on Monday, you can say, look, I can see you again next Monday. You follow? But at the end, when you come down to the third Monday, obviously you tell those candidates, this is it. This is our last week. So if you're happy, you're working a good job, you're making good money, you can't even see me, that's it. That's okay. All right? But you have 4 weeks. At the end of those 4 weeks, we give you another campaign. So therefore, you get another overview. Okay?
Okay.
Campaign overview.
Yeah, so,
Okay? That's the first thing you get when a campaign is introduced by the company. And then you get the job title. We're looking for security officers and consultants. Okay, that's the job title. The client name would be who they will be working for. For now, that's confidential. Okay, we can't disclose that on the first interview. Remember, you're only handling the first interview, not the second. Okay? Vacancy exclusive to us. Yes, it means we're the only ones with that vacancy in all of England. If it says no, it means many people may have the very same vacancy. You know, you need to know this because candidates will ask you that. The smart candidates will ask you this. The CV source. Where did we get the CV from? It'll always have a name. It'll be Reed Monster. We add on Monster now. It may be the Job Center. It may be anywhere. We'll tell you, okay? Because you need to know that. The Reed subscriber, the company, in other words, that put the ad on Reed will be told to you. You'll need to know that. Because, as you know, each of you has your own company, or will have your own company. And, of course, you're working with a contract for another company. And you have a contract with us. You see, it's good that we're very clear on what the entities are. So in this case, Vision Universal Recruiting placed the ad on Reed. Okay? So you need to know this when you speak to the candidates, because they know they've responded to Vision Universal on Reed. It's a direct response. They don't just place the ad, their CV online. They actually open the Vision Universal ad and send their CV into that ad. So if you need to know this. The number of vacancies, obviously, for the campaign is 12 in this case. Okay, it tells you how many security guards we're going to be hiring. And the campaign date, again, the close date is indicated. And the FAQs, frequently answered questions. Okay, there's a typo there. That is there. Is that required that you give them something? No. Is the I-form required? Yes. I'll go over the I-form with you in a minute. Job description required to be handed out? No. If it were, it would say yes. Interviews required for selection? It means that there are 2 interviews required. So the candidate can't get the job in the first interview. And the TKO script, H card, the model competency is 13. It deals with conflict management. It's the model, the competency model we're looking for. In other words, we're looking for people that can handle conflict. Okay, that's basically it. Any other notes would be put there for you, key attributes. If we had those, we'd put them there for you. That's a campaign overview. It's designed to give you a general idea of the campaign. It will also explain to you, in some cases, it wasn't done this time. In some cases, we'll also explain to you the types of security, door supervisor, CCTV, whatever, would be put in there also. Also in the campaign overview would be any qualifications that they would need, like NVQs or anything like that. All right. Any questions on the overview?